the world has never seen a warship like this before. The USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78, is not just an aircraft carrier. It is a floating fortress, a symbol of American naval supremacy, and a technological marvel that has changed the game forever. Today, we dive deep into the most advanced aircraft carrier in the U.S. Navy, exploring its power, design, and why the entire world is watching this beast. The USS Gerald R. Ford is the lead ship of the Ford-class carriers, the newest generation of supercarriers designed to replace the legendary Nimitz class. At over 1,100 feet long and displacing more than 100,000 tons, this carrier is a city at sea. Imagine a structure that can hold over 75 aircraft, including the F-35C Lightning II, with launch and recovery operations faster than any other carrier in history. What makes the Ford class revolutionary? First, the electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS. Gone are the old steam catapults. This system launches jets smoother, faster, and with far less wear and tear. Pilots experience more control during takeoff, and aircraft life is extended, cutting maintenance costs dramatically. Next, let's talk about power. The Gerald R. Ford uses 2 nuclear reactors that provide nearly 100 megawatts of electricity, powering everything from advanced radar systems to flight deck operations. It also supports future technologies, like directed energy weapons and next-gen unmanned drones. The ship is essentially a floating, self-sufficient powerhouse. The flight deck alone is a masterpiece. With 7 advanced elevators and optimized deck layout, the ship can conduct aircraft launches every 90 seconds, an incredible feat when compared to older carriers, which required much longer for similar operations. For any naval enthusiast or military strategist, this is mind-blowing efficiency. But it's not just about firepower. The USS Gerald R. Ford has advanced defensive systems, including the RIM-116 rolling airframe missile and Phalanx CIWS, making it almost untouchable against incoming threats. With state-of-the-art radar and electronic warfare systems, this carrier can detect, track, and neutralize multiple threats simultaneously. Now let's dive into the crew experience. While the ship is massive, it's designed to improve life for sailors. With automated systems reducing manual labor, sailors have more space, better living quarters, and a more efficient workflow. This makes long deployments safer, faster, and more comfortable. One of the most talked about features is the dual-band radar system, capable of tracking aircraft, missiles, and surface targets at incredible ranges. Combined with the ship's stealthy hull design, it is optimized to operate in contested waters where modern naval battles are most likely to occur. The world is watching closely, especially rival naval powers. Countries like China and Russia are carefully analyzing Ford-class capabilities, knowing that the U.S. Navy now has a floating fortress that can project power anywhere in the world, almost anywhere, at any time. Let's not forget the technology upgrade path. The Ford class is designed to remain relevant for decades. Modular systems allow for future weapons and sensors to be integrated, ensuring it will stay ahead of emerging threats for years to come. And of course, there's the fighter aircraft synergy. With F-35Cs, E-2D Hawkeyes, and future drones operating together, the Gerald R. Ford is no longer just a carrier. It is the command center for the entire fleet, capable of controlling operations over hundreds of miles of ocean. The ship has also been a testing ground for cutting-edge automation. Deck operations, maintenance routines, and even some navigation tasks are increasingly managed by intelligent systems, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. It's a glimpse into the future of naval warfare. For aviation enthusiasts, the deck is a paradise. Imagine jets rolling into catapults, launching into the sky at lightning speed, while unmanned drones prepare for the next mission, all coordinated by a supercomputer-like command center below deck. Even the maintenance and refueling processes are streamlined. Nuclear reactors provide power for over 25 years without refueling, meaning the ship can operate farther and longer than any traditional carrier. This allows the U.S. Navy to maintain a permanent presence in critical regions without worrying about logistics as much as before. The USS Gerald R. Ford is not just a ship, it's a statement of technological supremacy, of strategic dominance, and of unmatched naval capability. It shows what is possible when innovation meets necessity, And it serves as a reminder that the seas are still the domain of those who dare to build bigger, faster, and smarter. If you're fascinated by naval power, military technology, or simply want to witness the peak of human engineering, the Gerald R. Ford is a symbol you cannot ignore. Its capabilities redefine what it means to project force at sea, ensuring that for decades, this floating giant will remain at the forefront of naval warfare. This ship has truly set a new standard. From its advanced launch systems to its defensive capabilities, from crew comfort to next-generation radar, every inch of this ship screams innovation and power. It's no wonder the world is watching, analyzing, and sometimes fearing what this carrier brings to the oceans. So, whether you are a military enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who just wants to see human ingenuity at its finest, the USS Gerald R. Ford is a marvel that cannot be overstated. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the most incredible ships, jets, and military tech from around the world. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in defense innovation. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the age of supercarriers, the oceans belong to those who dare to dominate them. This is your channel name, bringing the power of the seas straight to your screen. Stay tuned, stay amazed, and keep exploring. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow military tech enthusiasts, and comment below which feature of the USS Gerald R. Ford blew your mind the most. Stay connected for more epic naval and military content, only here on Auto Trend.